Does this message appear on your Volvo? Fixing this at a mechanic could cost you a lot of money, but it might just be this small Volvo On Call battery that needs to be replaced. And in this video, I'll show you where to find it, what you need to remove, and how to replace the battery yourself. This video is made for the V60 and XC60 from 2018 and up. If you have a V90, we've already made a separate video for that model. You can watch it here. On the V60, the battery is located on the passenger side, and it's hidden underneath the floor mat. And to access it, we need to remove some of the interior. We're gonna start with this panel underneath here.
Remove these two torque screws. Remove the panel against the center console. There's one clip on the front and two in the back. Open the glove box and pull this panel straight out. You don't have to remove this connector, I just did it so it's easier to see. Remove this panel by pulling on the lower part of it, otherwise you could break it. Remove the door pan sill. You just have to pull it straight up. Now you just have to pull the floor mat back. It might be a bit tricky, so be patient.
I'm just getting stuck on everything.
Inside this box, we'll find what we're looking for. Pull the flap on both sides to release the front. Remove all the connectors. Do not pull them by the cables as they could break. On the back side, you will find the battery. Unplug it and put the new one in. If you want to buy this battery, there's a link in the description. Now we just have to do everything in the opposite order.
Once the battery has been replaced, you need to clear the fault code. You can do that with a diagnostics tool, like the iCarSoft. If that's the case for you, then you might still need to bring the car to a dealership. But at least you saved yourself a lot of money replacing the battery. If you want to watch another one of our videos, click here.